Dehydration is draining your health, feeling foggy, tired, or constantly thirsty. The real issue might not be your sleep, diet, or stress but hydration. Water makes up 50 to 75% of your body, yet so many people walk around chronically dehydrated without even realizing it. This silent problem impacts everything from your mood and energy to your digestion and skin health. In this video, we'll explore why hydration is absolutely essential, how it works within the body, signs you may be dehydrated, and practical ways to stay optimally hydrated every day. You'll also learn what drinks and foods help most and which ones do the opposite. Why hydration matters. Water isn't just important, it's foundational to life. Every system in your body relies on it. It cushions your joints, helps regulate your internal temperature, and delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell. It's what your body uses to flush out toxins through urine, sweat, and bowel movements. Your brain is around 75% water, and even a minor drop in hydration can affect your focus, memory, and mood. When your body is well hydrated, you feel energized, your thoughts are clearer, and your body functions more efficiently. For women, especially, hydration supports hormone balance, circulation, and skin elasticity. How much water do you need? You've probably heard the 8 glasses a day rule, but that's an average. The truth is, your hydration needs are highly personal. According to the National Academies of Sciences, women need about 2.7 liters of fluids per day, and men need 3.7 liters. That includes water from both drinks and food. If you're physically active, live in a hot climate, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or over the age of 60, your needs may be even higher. Rather than obsessing over numbers, the best indicators are your energy levels, your thirst, and your urine color. Aim for pale yellow. If it's darker, you probably need more water. Signs and risks of dehydration. Most people think thirst is the first sign of dehydration, but by the time you're thirsty, your body is already behind. Other signs include dry mouth, fatigue, headaches, dizziness, constipation, and brain fog. Dehydration can also make your skin look dull, dry, and prone to breakouts. Chronic dehydration has been linked to kidney stones, high blood pressure, joint pain, and even cognitive decline. Over time, a lack of proper hydration stresses every system in your body. Children and older adults are especially at risk since their thirst cues may not work as effectively. Overhydration. Can you drink too much? Yes, it is possible to overhydrate, especially in endurance athletes or those consuming large amounts of water without electrolytes. This can lead to hyponatremia, a dangerous condition where sodium levels in the blood become too diluted. Symptoms include nausea, confusion, muscle cramps, and in severe cases, seizures or coma. The key is balance. Instead of chugging large amounts of water at once, sip throughout the day. Pay attention to your activity levels and increase hydration with electrolytes if you sweat heavily or exercise intensely. Hydration is about steady, consistent intake, not excess. Best hydrating foods and drinks. Here's the good news. You don't have to drink gallons of plain water to stay hydrated. Many fruits and vegetables contain high amounts of water and essential nutrients. Cucumbers, for example, are over 95% water and contain potassium and magnesium. Watermelon, strawberries, oranges, celery, lettuce, and tomatoes are all excellent hydration sources. Adding them to your daily diet boosts both hydration and nutritional value. Herbal teas like peppermint, hibiscus, and chamomile also hydrate while offering digestive and calming benefits. Milk, coconut water, and even coffee contribute to fluid intake, although the latter should be balanced with water to offset its mild diuretic effect. Smart hydration habits. Creating a daily hydration routine is simple but powerful. Start your morning with a large glass of water to activate your digestive system. Keep a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day. If you don't like the taste of plain water, infuse it with lemon, cucumber, mint, or berries for a natural flavor boost. Drinking a glass of water before meals can improve digestion and help with portion control. If you exercise, always rehydrate after workouts, especially with electrolytes if you're sweating a lot. Also, eat water-rich foods during meals to increase overall hydration without much effort. Don't wait until you're thirsty, make it a habit before your body signals you. Water quality matters. Not all water is created equal. While most tap water is considered safe to drink, it can contain contaminants like chlorine, fluoride, or microplastics. Investing in a high-quality water filter can make a significant difference in your long-term health. Mineral-rich spring water can offer added electrolytes like magnesium and calcium. Some wellness advocates suggest alkaline or hydrogen-rich water for better absorption, though scientific evidence is still emerging. Ultimately, the best water is clean, filtered, and from a trusted source. Avoid bottled water stored in plastic, especially in heat, as it may leach chemicals. Hydration and skin health. If you've been spending money on expensive serums but still struggle with dry, dull skin, hydration might be the missing link. Proper hydration improves skin elasticity, reduces puffiness, and helps your skin detox from within. Dehydrated skin is more prone to fine lines, inflammation, and breakouts. Drinking enough water enhances your natural glow, supports collagen production, and improves the effectiveness of your topical skincare products. And it's not just about drinking water. Eating hydrating foods and avoiding dehydrating substances like caffeine and alcohol also plays a role. Glowing skin really does start from the inside. Hydration and digestion. Your digestive system relies on adequate hydration to function smoothly. Water helps break down food, absorb nutrients, and move waste through your intestines. Without enough water, you're more likely to experience bloating, constipation, and indigestion. Drinking a glass of warm water in the morning can stimulate your metabolism and encourage regular bowel movements. If you're increasing fiber in your diet, water becomes even more important, as fiber needs fluid to move efficiently through your gut. Aim to drink between meals rather than during them, as excessive fluid while eating can dilute digestive enzymes. Bonus: electrolytes and natural hydration boosters. Electrolytes are minerals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium that help your body balance fluids. When you sweat, you lose electrolytes, which need to be replaced. Coconut water is a great natural source, along with bananas, leafy greens, and seeds. You can also make your own hydration drink with water, a pinch of sea salt, a splash of lemon juice, and a dash of honey. Electrolyte powders can be helpful, but watch out for added sugars or artificial sweeteners. For a morning energy boost, try warm lemon water with a pinch of salt. It rehydrates and replenishes overnight losses. Hydration is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to upgrade your health. It affects everything: your energy, your skin, your digestion, your mood. And yet it's often overlooked. Start small. Drink a glass of water when you wake up, add a water-rich salad to your lunch, carry your bottle with you. Build the habit gradually. Your body is 70% water, so treat it that way. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who forgets to hydrate, and subscribe for more natural health and wellness videos every week. Stay healthy, stay hydrated.